Okay, and we've passed our count, guys.
Order filled.
We have passed our account, guys. We've passed an account. You've passed a TakeProfitTrader account. Oh, man. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Welcome to the video. My name is Justice, and this is my wife,
Jenny.
Yes. So, as you saw in the thumbnail, yes, I've passed my account, my first account in I don't know how many attempts, right? Like I've done so many attempts, and I've managed to pass my account, right? So as you can see here, let's get straight into it. I got an email yesterday. Is this yesterday, right? Or today? At 3 a.m. Yes, saying that congratulations on passing your account, blah 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 blah, right? And then they mentioned they'll stop the billing, and then the account has been disabled, right? So
The test account.
The test account, so that I don't get to make any mistakes or anything or take trades in it, right? Yeah, so I think that is good. I think actually that is good from TakeProfitTrader. They are showing that they are actually on your side. They don't want you to have any issues. And then as you can see here, we've got the second email that just came in about 39 minutes ago. Congratulations on your account, and to proceed to and then I'm in Africa, right? So I'll be getting paid using Wise or PayPal. I think I'll prefer Wise. PayPal is a bit crazy when it comes to charges, but yeah, I'll prefer Wise. And then just a quick reminder, yes. So there's a special currently, which is good with them, which is about 40% off, so which is good. Then there is the certificate that says congratulations, right, on successfully passing our evaluation. You have proven to be a profitable, disciplined, and consistent futures trader, right? We are excited to see that you will accomplish by now trading our funds inside your new pro account, right? So professional funded certificate, yeah, funded trader certificate, right? So I'm gonna edit onto the wall there that is there. Yeah, so let's get into it, right? This is Take Profit Trader. The amount of test accounts, let me show you guys. So yes, from the front view, you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? In fact, this one's still active. I'm still trading it live right now. So tune in every day, Monday to Friday. We trade every day live, and then these here, right? So you can easily say, oh, he only has traded 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts, but no. In fact, with the 150K account, there's an error here. There is, so I've reset it this once. So meaning I've paid for it once and I've reset it once, right? Meaning that's twice, right? And then if we go to this one below, right, how many do you see? You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and including the account itself. So that's 6, right? 6 plus the 2 we have, that is 8, right? And then if we go below here, we've got another one, and this one here that's making it 10. And then below here, we've got 3 more. So about 13 retries from, wait, it says load more. Oh, okay, there's another one here as well. This one was just once 14 retrial, right? The results and the matrix of the way we passed this one here was actually good, right? So I'm going to go into it, but I'm going to blur the credentials. Then you see actually the matrix to it, right? So we literally ticked off all of these here with the 39% consistency score, which is actually good. And you passed this, I think, on the 3rd day, right? It was the 3rd day. Yeah. So that's that. And then, yeah, here's our outcomes, right? If you look at it, the graph was just going up. We didn't even have a day where we had a negative picture. Everything was just going up and up and up, right? If you see our profits here, So I started on the 4th, right, which is here. I made 900. The next day I made 900. The next day I made about $1,000, which was good. These two here, they're just to count the days, right? I was just going in and out, in and out, in and out, just so that you can make sure the days are counted. So you need, yes, yeah, so because you need this 5 trading days, this is just mentioning there. So let's move over to the next account, where we add now the pro account. So when I was reading this, it mentions that we should actually go into the pro account and then go to pro here, right? And we can follow the prompts. So it's currently pending. We press go to pro. So to become a pro account owner, you have to make a lump sum of a payment of $130. That's the activation fee, but there isn't no activation fee because of the discount that we currently have, right? So which is good. And then we need to sign a contract you'll receive to identify yourself, right? So I believe this process was already done when I was signing up when I was signing up for the account, but I'm guessing there's probably more verifications for the KYC, right? And then number 3 says sign in a POA that TradeOvate require for Pro Plus accounts. So Pro Plus accounts are not going to qualify for me, or they're not for me, right? Or for traders who are in Africa. I don't know if there's actually an African country that can go to Pro Plus. Maybe there is, but I know there is for South Africa. We're only allowed to get the Pro only. So meaning for as long as I trade with TakeProfitTrader, I'll be able to get a pro account, which I'm actually appreciative of, because my funded futures, when I passed it, right, when I failed the account, but it was time for me to trade it again, they stopped giving services to SA, and it was around the same time with TakeProfitTrader. So I'm grateful for TakeProfitTrader to actually say, okay, fine, we're not gonna completely take away our services from SA, but we'll give the pro account, and which is still under a demo, but we are still able to withdraw from it, right? We're still able to trade from it. So yeah. So it says as the pro account owner, you are able to withdraw money to your bank account, right? So that is that there. So if you follow the rules here, it says then when you ask the method, select your credits, right? The credits will automatically be added onto your dashboard once. Okay, that's good. So we don't have credits here. I'm guessing it's in the next phase. So we say next. Select payment method. Okay, wait. Let's go. Okay, guys, welcome to the channel. Yeah, I'm doing that now. Okay, guys, so it's the next day. No, it's not the next day. It's actually 2 days later. Can you please put the volume down a bit? Okay, guys, so it's the next day. It's actually not the next day. It's Monday now. The last time we shot was on Saturday, so it's Monday. And just give me a second. Okay. Okay, guys, so it's now Monday. It's 2 days later, right? So they have responded to me, right? My wife actually just told me that they actually have just responded to me. So let's go see. I'm gonna check if in an email if they did already. An email they did not, but if we go now to Pro, right, and then we go to which is that there, and then we go there. When you scroll, we see the credits there, so you can just click it, right? And then you say next. Are you sure you want to pay with credits? Yes. Right, and your payment has been successfully accepted. And I literally just got an SMS, I'm saying SMS, an email from TakeProfitTrader stating that they've actually, okay, let's go back and see, open a new tab here, guys. Things that this account is here, just give me a second. Okay, open that Gmail. Perfect. So now, what are we seeing? It says that your payment was successful, right? Which is using the credit. So it says further instructions will be sent in a few minutes. If you don't receive instructions email within 20 minutes, please contact us. Okay, let's go for it, guys. Let's go for it. So let's go to the next email that just came now, which is this one here. It says your contract is ready. To complete registration for your pro account, please go to the dashboard and press the sign button, right? So let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together. Sign, which is this one here. Right, I hope this is actually recording. Yeah, I'm just double checking it is. So let's do this together. Sign. Let's see. Hi, Justice. Blah, 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 blah. It's probably gonna take time. All right. So, okay. All required field finish. All right, let's see. Hope they have. I can have a copy of it as well. But I've got my email opened up at the same time. Goodness. It says pending. Okay, but I'm now given an account ID. There wasn't an account ID before. So, okay. Let me see. Okay. Still says pending. So let me see if it's. Let me log into my Trade of 8. Sometimes you gotta log into Trade of 8. It's exhausting. I'm supposed to be streaming right now. Delayed. As the account, I'm still trying to. I'm going back up, back and forth with this account. Oh, okay. I think the account is ready now. Yeah, the account is ready. I see it. Yeah, 50K. Yeah. So guys, yeah, the account is ready. You can see the credentials. There they are. The credentials. I mean, you can see the matrix. So I'm about to go to New York and see if there's any setup. I'm about to New York. So guys, yeah, that's how you sign these contracts and how you do the right things, right? Um, yeah, thank you for watching the video. In fact, I actually wanted to explain more about the matrix of that video, but I'll find another time to do it. Or maybe I'll just edit. Yeah, I'll see how I'll go about it, right? But yeah, the matrix of I'll show you the matrix of that account that we passed, and then this is the account we have now. All right, guys, let's see what we can do this week, right? Awesome.